Hey guys, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And today's video is actually going to be on this Halloween look. I tried to do a pumpkin look. As you can see in my eyes, there are two different pumpkins, and I tried to recreate the mouth on here, but kind of don't like it. And I used like orange contour and stuff, but I don't really like the face. I love the eyes. So, but I decided to still put it up because Halloween is about being creative and doing something different. So, and I was like, well, this is different than most people. So I decided to just leave it on. So yeah, this is what I came up with. So if you guys like this video, then keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the like and give a thumbs up so you guys are, I don't know, and actually guys, don't forget to check out my giveaway for reaching 1K. But yeah, this is what I came up with, and I'm really sorry about my eyes. It is like 12 at night, so midnight, and I got off work and decided to do a Halloween look. So I hope you guys really like this. I really do love the eyes. I just, like I said, I don't know about the face. So if I could do it again, I would keep the face neutral and just do the eyes. But anyways, here it is, and this is what I come up with, and I hope you guys enjoy.